Peace and blessings to all my kings and queens, my royals. Yeah, if you all wonder, I'm always looking down at the bottom, trying to wait and see when it's gonna start recording. So that's why I'll be looking like that. Anyway, welcome to anyone that's new. Welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. What are you waiting for? If you've been coming to this channel for a while and watching the videos, go ahead and subscribe because you know I answer all my subscribers. And I've been answering people who are not subscribed to this channel your questions and responding back to your comments. So at least subscribe and hit the bell so you'll know when I'm doing another video. Okay, today's video is going to be short. I say that all the time. Today's video is going to be short though because it's about makeup, but Kings, I want you to stay. Don't leave. It's not going to be like, oh, okay, here's the mascara I wear. Here's this, here's that. It's going to be about kings and queens who, you know, kings who prefer for their queens that are natural not to wear makeup, or even their women who have weaves and wigs and all that other stuff, prefer them not to wear makeup. Or if it's okay for them to wear makeup, and if so, like what is it that you prefer to see them with? You know, like you might just say, oh, eyeliner and lipstick is cool, or I don't mind a full face of makeup. I don't mind bronzer and highlighter and all that type of stuff as long as they just don't look, you know, like they're going out to a party or whatever. Just more of a natural look with their makeup. Women, you too. You know, if you're a natural queen or so, do you like to wear makeup? Is that something that you're into? Are you just totally just like against wearing makeup? Or do you enhance, you know, your assets on your face or so as needed or as wanted, not necessarily needed? Because I don't believe that anybody totally needs makeup as long as you take care of your skin. Yes, I have a full beat on today just because I'm doing this video. Normally, I probably wouldn't have on foundation or as much bronzer. Oh my God, I just got this new bronzer. As much bronzer as I have on or anything. And, you know, of course, I have on lashes and it's a very pink, I don't know if it's coming off on camera, eyeshadow. And just, you know, this is a regular lip that I will wear every day. But kings, honestly, do you prefer for your for females or queens, our queens, to wear makeup, wear minimum amount of makeup, or no makeup at all? You know, comment down below how you feel about it and why. You know, and for my queens, I want to know the same thing. Do you prefer to wear makeup, minimum amount of makeup, or no makeup at all, and why? I prefer to because I just started a couple years ago, like really, really, really getting into it. And I have made a collection that is out of this world of everything. You wouldn't believe how much stuff I have. But I learned how to ball on a budget for real because I do not spend a whole lot of money on my makeup, but I get good quality makeup and I get stuff that works. I have found some duds, but I've also found some great brands too. You know, yes, I like lashes. I like throwing on lashes. Not all the time though, because it's just not something to do every day for me. I love eyeshadow. I'm going through an eyeshadow craze right now. I like bronzer and I love illuminator. I love highlight. And of course I have to have my lips popping. You know what I mean? So I guess I want to say, you know, thumbs up if you are okay with makeup, period. Thumbs up, period. You know, if you feel like it's okay for even a minimum amount, maximum amount at times when, you know, when it calls for. I know that a lot of men, they would say, no, their makeup might get on my pillowcases or whatever. Well, you really shouldn't be wearing makeup to bed, but that's why they have wipes. Really shouldn't be wearing makeup to bed. Sorry. Uh, and they do make makeup now. That's not like the old Mary Kay that sorry about that. That does not like get on your collar or anything, and lipsticks now that are matte that don't get on your shirt collar, or if you just got off work and you wear a suit and tie and all that, and a white shirt. They have matte lipsticks, and some of them do not transfer, so you don't have to worry about them getting on you. They have a lot of makeup now and a lot of setting powders and everything to help keep that from prevent that from happening. What I want to say to my queens, because again, I am going to try to keep this a little short. What I'm going to do, because a lot of people have been asking me to talk about makeup or what have you, I don't want anybody to have to endure all of that, that don't want to be bothered with that. I'm going to do a live video for the first time. I'm going to do a live, whatever, what do they call it? I'm going to go live. That's what it is. I'm going to go live for the first time, and I'm going to give you a time and a day that I'm going to go live, and it's going to be in the evening, so people will be home from work. I'm going to try to be mindful of the different time zones, including my own, because I have, things to do as well. And I want, it to be a time when people are not like doing anything like eating dinner or whatever, so everybody can get in and get their questions in. Doesn't matter whether it's 10 people, 5 people, 15 people, or 100 people. What I'll do is I'll go live. I'll sit here, I'll show you some of the brands, I'll tell you some of my tips and tricks as far as balling at a budget with buying makeup, tell you about the places that I purchase my makeup from, what I really love, what I've tried and don't like. Just answer your questions about different things. Whatever questions you may have, if I can answer them, fine. I'm not a makeup guru. I'm not a makeup artist. I am a licensed cosmetologist, and I've done nails, but makeup was never my thing. Again, I just started playing around with foundation and all this other type of stuff a couple years ago. So, but I have grown, and I've watched a lot of YouTube videos. That's how I've learned how to, and I'll name some of my people that you all can check out that know how to do makeup very well. So that'll be something on the live stream. Comment down below if you are going to come to the go live. If I go live, would that be something that you would like to see, where you can ask questions and we talk and you actually physically talk to me? Well, not physically, well, you know what I mean. But if that's something that you would like, comment down below and let me know. And then kind of put like a time zone, your time zone, and what time would work, and then I'll kind of try to, I know it's not going to be easy to work around everybody's time zone, because people are from everywhere. But, just kind of leave like a little message below, like, yeah, that's something I'm interested in, or however, just something so I'll know, and thumbs up, if that's something you would like for me to do. That's all I really have to say. I want to know what the kings are feeling and why. I want to know what queens are feeling, especially, those that are natural, or kings that are maybe dating women that are natural, or like women that are natural. And when I say natural, I'm talking about hair, dreadlocks, Nazi dreads, afros, whatever. Or if you even have, women who or queens who wear weaves and wear wigs, and or just wear their natural hair relaxed, or whatever. Doesn't matter, about the whole makeup thing. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, because I am definitely, I'm at my makeup table right now. Behind me is a bunch of different makeup brands that I have tacked up on my wall, and some perfume or what have you. So yeah, I'm deep off into it. I don't wear it every day. I wear it for some of my films. Do I need to wear it? No, because I have great skincare. Great skincare. And it starts off with water. Trust and believe. That's my number one skincare product, is water. hate it when I keep saying as long as your skin is nice, you don't have to worry about trying to cover up a whole lot. But if you need makeup for covering up, cool. But if you practice and have good skin care, your skin will be flawless, and then it'll be easy to work on, you know, your little platform, your little canvas. So that's all I have today. I will be in another video, probably talking about more dreads and health and other things real soon. But everything is definitely related to the natural. Always, dreads are included. Nazi freeform dreads. Um, look for more videos real soon. I'm not sure when, probably not tomorrow because I'll be with my family. But I'll do another one real soon, probably Monday. All right, you guys, have a great weekend. Please leave your comments. Please thumbs up. Please let me know if this is a video or so that you would like to see. Leave a message below. Look in the description box. Become a Facebook friend of mine. We could talk on Messenger at times. Also, go to my Instagram page. I have pictures over there. My Google Plus page. I have pictures there. I have a lot of links down below. I'm on Snapchat and a few other things. Just check out my description box. Peace and blessings, and I love you all.